What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? What the fuck am I doing right now? I forgot. Let's see what we got here. Spit in. There we go. Here's my foot. We can tell you a story about this. Yeah, this weekend. Well, yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I don't remember. Okay. Truck. You got rims on it. Hell yeah. I got me a truck. I don't know if I told you this yet. I got a truck. Yeah, pretty guy. No mud to it. And took it out to Nate. We took it over to Carl's, you know what I'm saying? Over to Carl's. This is Carl's, this is Nate. We went over to Carl's. Stopped working good when we got it over to Carl's. I figured out why. It's my belt. The belt's not there. That's the bug on this. Belt's not there. Alternator belt, freaking fan belt from my kept on over here, and I was like, what the fuck? I looked underneath, no belt. So a bit. Still drove it. I was like, fuck. Popped in the bitch. Tractor is all the way up the hill. It was like, bark, 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 bark. Even asked Nate. I know you guys go to my fucking school usually. So, you ask Nate, be like, hey, how's it fucking going? And it was like, bark, 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 all like a mile. Took us like an hour to get up a hill. Then I got it up there and started listening to music. Hey, I'll fucking take it down the fucking hills. Fucking into the mud pit and shit. And I like, fuck it. Took it down there. Fucking tractor moved. Fucking James got in. I was like, fuck. I did tell James I was gonna drive. He could drive, so I let James hop in it. He was banging gears and shit. Trying to get out of this mud pit I got it stuck in. Ow! Try to get in this mud. Went around there like that. Fucking turned off. Cranked back up. Couldn't get it through the mud hole. So we backed the bitch out of the mud hole. Back on top of this hill. Stopped working there. That's where it sits now. So that's where it sits. The rest of the day, listen to music. Just went to make $15. I just got done weeding for my family friend. Give him $15. I'm gonna go buy me a new belt for it. Pop that cocksucker on it. Drive her again. I need to get tuned for it too, so I'll probably cost like fucking $100 or something. These fuckers trying to make me sell for $300. I'm like, what? No. My truck. I want to have fun in it a little bit. So, I took it. Fucking might run up to AutoZone a couple days. Maybe tomorrow or something. Get a belt. Get a belt. Take it on out there. Pop that. This weekend, I'll probably have a belt. I made $15. I'm gonna get a belt on that truck, and we're gonna get it back over to Nate's by a trailer or something. I don't know. I think this bitch is leaking. Nah, it'll be fine. What can we talk about? I still got about 5 minutes. y'all motherfuckers need to watch my videos. I know I don't post them that much, but I post them when I want to. I might post them now because I got them tires on my truck. That's what I've been doing. We went to. May or may not have stolen them. I don't fucking know. They're in Brandon by a dumpster, so. But that's besides the point. Grinding them bitches all the way out. There's a hole like this big in the middle of them now. Oh, fuck it. Slap them bitches on there. Next day, me and Nate were out there till like 10 o'clock, getting them cocksuckers on there. Next day, took to the end driveway. Let her warm up a little bit. Put her in fucking first. Let her roll back a little bit. Held the clutch in full throttle. Now I just dropped the clutch at a burnout up the driveway. It's pretty badass. Ew. So that's pretty mint. This weekend I hope I get that truck running, get back up to Dip Farm or something. Get a trailer out there or something. I don't fucking know. Probably talk to Nate. No, that's what happened. It's pretty mint. Well, that's about all. I reckon. See y'all later. Bye, motherfucker.